ni makuman in sa makuman, and we open up our show no achakoki ngo motive today in history. In today in history mwa ilfario ke apara we are bera ye lamego Dr. Stella Nyanzi makumbeti she flee of the country to German manobero lecturer at Macquarie University. Remember ku muti muberutie between N and kigene ki university administration she was protesting kerma ki kwanye kere lokwa fonye kuma and kitere court kitere prison I mean so lotino ma eno fonyo those are students of Macquarie University definitely mark and go appearing before court and to remember bonding them they were accused of 10 million shillings cash while sureties mameki beneki again at 10 million. You remember such a day like this if you remember part was indeed the story Dr. Stella Nyanzi undressed herself.
Yeah, that is a scenario. Okay, a lot of controversy.
Yeah.
But also from that demonstration brought the rise of Stella Nyanzi.
Yeah.
PM Polkar no wamujini Stella Nyanzi kongo but at the university level mano pitiga nyoto kerne obedo nga. But after that demonstration, Amir wajini she gained a lot of popularity. She started her activism spot on. She was hard biting. And for me, I think that's when I got to realize ni Stella Nyanzi. The second time, I don't know, wiye raj. The breast show campaign. The police kago mago kiro dong gimar chak twale mir gite chak bot police gen wengu wor gene de leta li marigi magu wor lo bo kike lega ken wachini o mer mako chak dong en ngun mar chak twale. So it was funny but
she made a statement.
Yes, it was funny but the statement sank in people's heads.
Actually, in just to interject a little bit, in sociology we call it a kind of social movement.
Yes.
That kind of social movement, and social movement is an act of realizing there's an injustice in society, and that injustice you must rise up. Katiki solution, and I think Stella Nyanzi, first of all, Kirmano Kitemo Kakwanye Kere from that institute at Macquarie University of Social Development, and even Ugandans agreed. Why any pay to work a kwanyo? Ngarmo just kumero eroni.
No, at Amani, there was a lot of tension in terms of her getting. PMing she had issues. Getting a lark, can I take a lark? Come getting Professor Mahmoud.
Yes, Mahmoud.
So there was a lot of politicking around her dismission from the university. And probably which was a valid ground. And Jomati wa omago chungwa chala wane moberkan. We want to understand. Pingwa ketika yellow and.
But you know later on Kichole.
No,
they had to pay her?
No, that was right.
Yes, they had to pay her.
The injustice, if you're going to send someone out of office or send someone out of work, there are procedures.
Yep.
I have 24 hours to give you a resignation letter. You have 24 hours to inform me. I can always leave. You're not supposed to work. How?
How?
Exactly. So these were the contentions Mastella Nyanzi or where the way market treating and was not right. So team that was a kickstart to bring Stella Nyanzi.
And that's what now you saw the rise of Stella Nyanzi. 2021 general elections, Maem contesting Charlie woman MP, May Kampala district, despite the fact that Pokar Thuruba, she was on the FDC ticket. And some of the students are actually, let me just mention their names briefly. Of course, Kiberoke, Latin Kwan Makino, Edmond, Kahiji Muberkimo appear Wario by then, Stephen Ariho, Roy Rugamayo. I remember this Roy Rugamayo guy very well, was my brother at campus. And then of course and Hannington Mugarura when so Gingu battling those charges of inciting violence contrary to section 83 article 1 of the Penal Code Act. So the magistrate was quite not very happy. But generally, social movements in Uganda, Stella Nyanzi, do you think we're contributing a lot?
I think the most sustained social movement, Mafutie momentum, is the one Stella Nyanzi holding.
Is it more sustainable than the one of walk to work?
Walk to work, while walk to work was too much on walk to work obedo no mero kelo ni kidneno weng eto suppression obedo matek ni government obedo ka watching them 24/7 and to social movement pa Stella Nyanzi niwe tieni I have an issue which is a single issue that I have to address impunity and the mistreatment of people, human rights violation. Magien go chui principle adi acel. Amir wakini kiri wala war eni matika kweza kumeni. O gen wengeti principle adi ni we are going to fight issues of human rights violation.
So for them they stuck to the human rights violation. That is the social movement.
Ma wakini call a church white yo.
But human rights violation, does it involve Yeroladit Lobo? Because Dr. Stella Nyanzi on several occasions through her poetry work Ladit Lobo and of course Janet Kataha Museveni, and she went on Berema attacking again Kataha. She's not fit enough to be a minister. May education, you saw that very well. Is that human rights, really?
In Anaba, attack my Anaba was what linear attack. In no iportunka money. She told you because you have to
you fire from all angles.
Ichunka rachel the chiluka weng ernetica upsetting chewing money ma in time is your target. In kiwachini in piro birko chilu go mo anything you know ngang money chilu no ngang money chilu children go where I worry you
okay.
So Aaron was her target. Now I'm watching even up to now.
Did she achieve it?
Even now, why not?
But she ran out of Uganda. Stella Nyanzi and Kankwenza. Let me talk about Stella Nyanzi. Pere Uganda.
All these people who have left Uganda in the names of saying we are seeking asylum, let them go and find their asylum, but there's no place better than home.
So that's what I'm saying. She did not accept the
It is a temporary shelter. Okay. And I want to tell you, from their breast campaign, police that's
very true. By the way, that's very true.
So that we achieved.
Yeah, they now basically police go kill mon, arresting mon should be women to arrest women. Now I appreciate her for that. Sure.
That is already a target.
Because I remember Ingrid Turinawe, that incident actually happened with the Ingrid Turinawe. And I make a deal around the electoral commission.